Welcome to Concord. Hello there, I welcome you to the intro tutorial about Publish Order. First, click on the Login button at the top of the home page. Now, a login page will be opened in front of you. Enter all of your login credentials and click Sign In. Now, you will be redirected to the dashboard. From here, go to the Tasks section from the left panel of the dashboard. Now click on All to open the complete list of tasks available. For all the in-progress tasks, you will visualize a View button in front of them. Click over any one of them. Now another web page will be opened with a complete list of details available. First, there will be service type, categories, URL, anchor text, and special requirements. Under these requirements, there will be a file attachment for special requirements. Click on that to download it to your system. Now open that file to view the article attached to it. Next, please copy the link for that specific task and open it in a new tab. Now add WordPress admin in front of that link to open WordPress login page. Create a new post, and add all the text from the attached file to that post. Publish that post, and then go to the main interface of the website against that post. Now copy its complete link. From here on, go back to the task page, and from there, click on the Deliver Work button, and a dialog box will appear in front of you. In the box below, describe your work, paste the link you have copied. Click on the Submit button to deliver your task. Go back to the All Tasks page to check its status. You can see that task in the status column, which will be changed to Delivered.